how to log out OKX account using OKX app. Now if you want to log out to OKX account using your OKX app, if you're logged in on the OKX app and then you want to log out of it, open the app, and here you can see I'm currently logged in. So if I want to log out, I need to simply tap on the multiple dots icon from the top left, and this is the kind of interface that you will see, where I have to simply tap on my profile or the email from the very top of the screen here. Once I've done that, without logging out, first of all, if you want to just switch only, you can tap on switch account and simply choose to add a new account by tapping on the add another account option. But if you want to log out completely, then you can simply tap on the logout option. It will ask you for a confirmation, so then you can simply tap on the logout button there in order to log out of your OKX wallet app. This way you'll be able to log out of the OKX wallet app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.